Good morning. Now we are going to see about vapor absorption refrigeration. Vapor absorption refrigerator. Refrigeration is the process of reducing the heat from the lower than the atmospheric temperature and maintaining the temperature less than the atmospheric temperature from a specific space. Okay. So refrigerant is a medium or it's a liquid form or fluid form, whatever it is. Refrigerant is the source which can remove the heat from the particular space which is to be cooled, and it sends the heat to the atmosphere. Okay. So refrigerator is a device which is used for the process of refrigeration. Here we are going to see about vapor absorption refrigerator. So in vapor compression refrigerator, there are four devices we have seen, four important elements. One is evaporator, compressor, and expansion valve. Then you have seen this condenser, right? So here the compressor is totally removed from this vapor compression system, and it is vapor absorption system. We are having evaporator and an absorber, a pump, a heat exchanger, a generator, a condenser, and expansion valve. Let me see what are the functions here. Then we will go for the working principle. Evaporator is the device which is used for the conversion of a liquid form into vapor form. Okay. So when the liquid refrigerant comes into the evaporator, it gets the heat and it becomes the vapor form. And absorber is the area where the NH3 vapor, here, the refrigerant what we are using in this cycle is NH3, ammonia. Okay, other than that we cannot use it. So this is NH3 vapor comes into contact with the water, the absorbent. The water is the absorbent here, and the NH3 vapor mixes with the water and it becomes a strong solution. Okay. Then a pump is needed for pumping this solution, and a heat exchanger is needed for transfer of heat from the weaker hot solution to the strong solution. So heat exchanger, through the heat exchanger, the high pressure, the strong NH3 solution has to come, and in generator, again the strong solution is getting heated up and vapor is going to be produced. So here, through the condenser, condenser is the device which is used to convert the vapor form into a liquid form. This is a function of the condenser. And the expansion valve is needed for temperature, that is the pressure relaxation. So here high pressure is there, the high pressure has to be converted into a low pressure valve. So these are the very important components in the vapor observation system. Now let me see the working of the absorption refrigerator. See, in this evaporator, just let me assume that a liquid NH3 solution, low pressure, low temperature liquid NH3 solution enters into the evaporator. Evaporator is the space where it is going to absorb the heat from the substances. Okay. So that NH3 liquid enters into the evaporator, it absorbs the heat from the substances in the closed space and becomes vapor. It comes out into vapor. That low temperature, low pressure vapor NH3, it comes to the absorber where already water and weak ammonia solution is there. When this ammonia vapor mixes with this water, it becomes strong ammonia solution. So the to pump this strong ammonia solution, we need a pump here. So the pump is used to pump this NH3 solution to the generator. And here some weak ammonia solution already which is getting heated up here, it is coming to the absorber again and through this heat exchanger. So when this NH3 solution passes through the heat exchanger, it gets heat from this weak ammonia solution which is already hot. So the heat is getting transferred from here to here, and now the NH3 solution becomes a little bit warmed up. So high pressure, high temperature, and the pump is, since pump is used, this low pressure becomes high pressure here. So the high pressure, from low pressure to high pressure and low temperature to high temperature, this comes here. And this NH3 solution is coming to the generator. generator, a heating coil is there. This heating coil heated up the solution which is in this side the generator. When it is getting heated up, automatically this NH3 becomes vapor, and most of the vapors or it passes to the condenser, and remaining this NH3 solution, weaker solution. Now since the NH3 is removed, most of the NH3 is removed, less amount of NH3 plus water, it is passes to the absorber for the again recycling process. It passes through the heat. So heat exchanger where it rejects the heats to this strong NH3. And now this when it comes, the vapor comes to here, the condenser is there. When it concentrate, that is when passing through the condenser, it rejects the heats to the atmosphere, okay, or cooling water. When it passes through the cooling water is circulated over the condenser, the water rejects the heat from this NH3 vapor, and the NH3 vapor becomes liquid here. So this high pressure low temperature liquid comes to here, and when it passes through the expansion nozzle or expansion valve, the high pressure becomes low pressure, since it is the convergent divergent nozzle. When it is passes through the pressure is going to be reduced. So again the low pressure low temperature liquid NH3 is ready for the cycle, and it enters into the evaporator for the absorption of heat. So this process again the cycle starts and it will continue. So thank you.